Okay, beautiful people. I hope that we are all well. I have another really quick word that I would love to share with you guys. This is a word that the Lord gave me probably a month ago, one Wednesday. I was actually reading up, just trying to learn more about fasting. So I was reading Isaiah 58. And the Lord said something really interesting and really beautiful to me as I was reading the word. And at first, I do believe that it was a personal word that He just wanted me to sit with for a while. But this morning, He just laid that back on my spirit. And I really believe that it is a confirmational word for a lot of us. So this is Isaiah 58, verse 12. And it reads, "And your people will rebuild the ancient ruins. You will raise up and restore the age-old foundations of buildings that have been laid waste. You will be called repairer of the breach and restorer of streets." And what the Lord said to me once I read that is He said to me, "You and your spouse, right? You and your spouse will be known and will be called repairers, the repairers of breaches and the restorers of streets." And what He just began to lay in my heart as I was sitting with that is a lot of us, the ministry we are called in as we enter our marriages is the ministry of restoring and building and also nurturing family. So basically, a lot of us, the Lord is releasing us into the family ministry, right? Within our own marriages. So we will be brought together with our spouses, and the I guess the goal or the purpose of us being together with our spouses will be, or rather, one of the purposes, right, will be to go out and begin to minister to other couples, to restore their relationships, minister to other, to families, children, the whole lot, right? Just restorers of broken relationships, restorers of broken families. So I pray that this actually is a confirmational word for someone. And I believe that it is, that as the Lord releases you into this marriage and into this godly relationship, know that one of the purposes or one of the reasons He's brought you and your spouse together is so that you guys can be called the restorers of streets and the repairers of breaches. In the mighty name of Jesus, I pray that that blesses you. Bye bye, guys.